Hello everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today we are going to learn how to insert a shape in Google Sheets in a simple and clear way. This video will guide you step by step so you can easily add and customize shapes in your spreadsheet. Step 1. First open your Google Sheets file and look at the ribbon menu at the top, because this is where all main tools are located. Click on the Insert tab, as this option allows you to add extra elements like drawings and shapes into your sheet. Step 2. After clicking Insert, find and select the Drawing option, which opens a separate drawing window. This drawing area is important because Google Sheets uses it to create and manage shapes before placing them into the spreadsheet. Step 3. Inside the drawing window, click on the Shapes icon, which looks like a circle and a square. This option shows a list of different shapes such as rectangles, circles, arrows, and triangles that you can use for diagrams or highlights. Step 4. Choose any shape you like, for example a triangle, and then draw it by clicking and dragging on the canvas. You can also change the shape's color, border, and style using the toolbar, which helps make your data more visually clear. Step 5. Once you are done editing the shape, click on Save and Close to insert it into your Google Sheet. The shape will now appear on your sheet and you can move or resize it as needed for better presentation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more easy and useful tech tutorials.